Welcome! In front of me I have Fitbit Versa Lite, and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe left on the screen to scroll through the menu. Keep scrolling until you find the settings icon. And once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. Oh, my bad. Tap on the icon. Okay. Once in settings, you should see a screen timeout option right here, right below the brightness. Tap on it. And basically once you tap on it, it will change the settings. And we have a couple of different durations. We have 10 seconds, 15, 20, 35, 60, and back to 10. If you set it to, for example, 15 seconds, the screen will stay up for 15 seconds, but be aware it will impact the battery life because the screen will be turned on for a longer period of time, so it will use more battery. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.